In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. First, I'm going on WhatsApp. Now click on this three dot menu. Again, click on setting. So you can see chat option. Click here. Again, at the last moment, you can click on chat backup. Now you can see currently 3:21 a.m. I completed backup. So if example purpose I again backup to my Gmail, you need to set up a Gmail on here, manage account. So now I automatic it's weekly. You can doing it's daily, monthly, and when I backup. So I included video and backup using Corolla. So now I delete my WhatsApp and uninstall. That's it. Now again I'm going on Play Store, then download. Now already install done. Now I need to click on open. So you can see it's currently doing agree and continue. So now click on allow. So using my old phone number, just enter, then click on next. Now it's already verified, then click on continue. So now you can see restore a backup. To find and restore your backup from Google storage, allow WhatsApp access to your contact. So I must have need click on continue, then allow. Then you can see I restore 1 minute ago. You can see just click on continue. Then it's transferring to my new app. You see restoring 69% done. This is easy process. I hope you are doing this work perfectly. Now restore completed. Now click on next. Now again click on next. That's it. Now you can use your old WhatsApp. Example purpose, I open this one. You can see this is an old chart already have on here. So this is the method how you can restore your WhatsApp chart messages on Android. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.